Ever wondered why learning Python seems so daunting? Why, despite the plethora of resources available, the journey of mastering Python feels like a steep climb? Well, the answer lies not in the abundance of resources, but in their presentation. That's where the book 50 Days of Python steps in. Released in February of 2022, 50 Days of Python was written with a clear purpose: to offer new Python learners a gentle introduction to Python challenges. The internet is brimming with programming challenges for beginners, but they can often feel like trying to lift the heaviest weight at the gym on your first day. It's intimidating, and more importantly, it's discouraging. 50 Days of Python takes a different approach. This book presents Python challenges that are meant to challenge, not to discourage. These are challenges that one can complete within 50 days. Of course, if one has ample time, the challenges could be completed in 10 days. But the book respects that readers have diverse responsibilities: school, family, rest, and more. The idea is simple. Dedicate 30 to 40 minutes a day to tackle one Python challenge. Once the challenge is done, put the book away and return the next day for a new challenge. By the end of 50 days, a wealth of knowledge will have been gained. But why challenges? Challenges allow learners to apply the knowledge they've acquired. They also promote the mastery of a crucial skill for any developer or programmer: the art of finding answers. As a programmer, one's job is to solve problems, and problem-solving requires not just knowledge, but also the ability to research around the problem and find a solution. 50 Days of Python helps learners master the fundamentals of Python through manageable challenges. As one navigates through these challenges, the core fundamentals of Python are applied, reinforcing learning and promoting understanding. To give a sneak peek into the book, consider the challenge from day one. Write a function called divide or square that takes one argument, a number. This function should return the square root of the number if it is divisible by 5, or its remainder if it is not divisible by 5. 50 Days of Python offers a gentle, manageable approach to mastering Python, presenting daily challenges that reinforce learning, promote research skills, and make the process of learning Python less intimidating and more engaging. By dedicating a little time each day to these challenges, one can make significant strides in their Python journey in just 50 days. So, are you ready to take on the challenge?